Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me these couple of photographs, and she's going to print those on paper and adhere it, I guess, somehow on a bucket that's tapered. And she's already done all the math for me. The paper itself is only 7 by 21, but the curvature makes it 8. So 8 by 21, and then there's a 7/8 inch rise. So we're going to take a rectangle with our ratio unlocked. We're going to type in 21. We're going to type in 8. Now we got an 8 by 21 triangle. We're going to go to Object and convert that to a curve. We're going to grab our shape tool and grab those two nodes. Or really, let's just grab that node and add a node. And what that did, it always puts it behind the. You could have done both nodes and had it add it, but it's going to add another node there. But you can take it away. Now we need to take all. Let me zoom in a little bit. Take all these with the shape tool and select them and turn them into a curve, which I think I already did, but no, there's a curve. Now we need to get our nudge factor on 0.78 or 7/8 of an inch. If you don't know the math, you can just type in 7/8 in fractions. It'll give you that. Take the shape tool and nudge that up. Now it doesn't do it symmetrically. I'm hoping somebody will chime in. I don't really know how else you could do it. And then just take that handle and have them meet. And this is pretty precise. Because if you look now, we Control D and make a duplicate of that guy and mirror it. The two lines are equal. They're right on top of each other. So we need that duplicate. We're going to change our nudge. Well, you know what? I'm going to lower this by 7/8 of an inch. Then I'm going to change my nudge factor to 8. And I'm going to grab the lower one and nudge it up 8 inches. There's our shape. Use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. And now you have a 21 by 8 curve on a rectangle. So I'm going to left click, right click. I've got the exact same thing down here. This is really pretty easy. This has to be all grouped together. This was not grouped together. Go up to Effects and Envelope and pick this one right here, Single Art Mode. Check on Create from Envelope Form and hit that. And it produced that envelope that's perfectly the same size as our paper. So it gives it that wrap art. So you'll be able to wrap that around. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.